Good morning students. In this video we are going to solve sub question R of question number 1 from exercise 7.6. Now the question is solve. Students, here in this question addition of three unlike fractions. Therefore here first fraction is 2 by 3, second fraction is 3 by 4 and third fraction is 1 by 2. Here denominators are different. Therefore these three fractions are unlike fractions and we have to add these three unlike fractions. Students, first of all we have to write equivalent fractions of these three unlike fractions with same denominator. Therefore for this we have to find out LCM of 3, 4 and 2. That is LCM of denominators. Therefore we can write here 3, 4, 2. Therefore we have to find out LCM of 3, 4 and 2. Students, if you observe here 4 and 2 are divisible by 2. Therefore we can write here 2. 3 is not divisible by 2. Therefore 3 as it is. Here 2 2s are 4. Therefore here 2. Here 2 1s are 2. Therefore here 1. Now again 2 is divisible by 2. Therefore we can write here 2. Now 3 is not divisible by 2. Therefore 3 as it is. 2 1s are 2 and here 1 as it is. Now 3 is divisible by 3. Therefore we can write here 3. 3 1s are here 1 1. Therefore students, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Therefore students, LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is equal to 12. Now students, here we have to write equivalent fractions of these three fractions with denominator 12. Therefore we can write here 2 by 3 is equal to, if we multiply 3 by 4 then we will get 12. Therefore 3 4 is 12. Therefore in numerator also we have to multiply by 4. Therefore 2 4 is 8 and 3 4 is 12. Therefore 2 by 3 and 8 by 12 are equivalent fractions. Now 3 by 4. Now students, here we have to convert this denominator 4 into 12. Therefore here we have to multiply by 3. Therefore if we multiply denominator by 3, then in numerator also we have to multiply by 3. Therefore 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12. Now these two fractions are equivalent fractions. Now next fraction is 1 by 2. Now here numerator is 1, denominator is 2 and we have to convert this denominator into 12. Therefore here we have to multiply by 6. Therefore in numerator also we have to multiply by 6. 1 6 are 6 and 2 6 are 12. Students, you observe here these three fractions are like fractions. If we add these three like fractions, means we add these three unlike fractions. Therefore we can write here 8 by 12 plus 9 by 12 plus 6 by 12, which is equal to 8 plus 9 plus 6 divided by 12, or 8 plus 9 plus 6 by 12. Here addition of like fractions. Therefore here addition of numerators in numerator and denominator common. Therefore which is equal to 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 6 23. Therefore here addition is 23 and denominator is 12. Therefore addition of three like fractions is equal to 23 by 12. Therefore students, we can say that here addition of these these three unlike fractions is also 23 by 12. Therefore, students, we can write here 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 23 by 12. Students, in this way we can add three unlike fractions. Students, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.